I would like to end my talk by just summarizing. In order to achieve the purpose of your life, in different stages of your life, you have to see that you are towards the direction. Before I give the 6 points, when people take admission in our school, I normally ask them, when is the best time, the latest time that you have to think about the future of your child? When is latest? What your child will become? What will he do? When is latest? Many people reply, when he goes to college. Some people say that no, when he takes admission in school. Some people say, no, when he takes admission in kindergarten. No one has given me answer earlier than that. The Islamic way, the latest that you can think about the future of your child is when you choose your life partner. When you choose your life partner is the time you think, what will you make your son? Because the mother, the father, the parents, they are the best teachers. You have to plan early. That's the latest that you have to think regarding the future of your child. I'd like to summarize the purpose of life and how a person should lead is, number 1, that when you get education, see to it you get education in an institution, in a school, in a college, which caters to you for both the worlds, for Akhirah and this world. Only the degrees of this world will not help you. Put him in a school which caters for both Akhirah and this world both. And inshallah, we started with the philosophy of having Islamic International School, and if Allah wills, we want to expand more branches of such schools. Number 2, they should see to it that they have friends which also have the same purpose of life. They have friends which are Islamic. When they grow up, they should join organization whose goal and objective is based on Quran and Sahih Hadith. Join Islamic organization, but before joining organization, check whether that organization is following the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala given in the Quran and the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 4, when they choose the profession, Allah says in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 104, that let there arise out of you a band of people that enjoin people towards the good and forbid them from doing wrong. These are the ones that shall attain felicity. Allah says in Surah Fusilat, chapter number 41, verse number 33, وَمَنْ أَحْسَنُ قَوْلًا مِمَّنْ دَعَا إِلَى اللَّهِ وَعَمِلَ صَالِحًا وَقَالَ إِنَّنِي مِنَ الْمُسْلِمِينَ. Who is better in speech than one who invites to the way of thy Lord, works righteousness, and says that I'm a Muslim? Choose a profession that will take him closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And there's no better profession than the profession of spending your time in spreading the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 5, see to it that you choose your life partner which has the same purpose, same goal. Allah and His Rasul, Allah centered. And the 6th point, I would like to end my talk by the verse of the Quran from Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 162, which says, Inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alameen. All my prayers, my service of sacrifice, my life and my death are for the sake of Allah, the Lord of the worlds. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.